We're committed now, guys. There's barely any tape that was connected. This is all this black right here. The only part that was adhered is that little gray area. All right, guys, you guys ready? We're gonna replace some tape on this impact guard roof, my brand new Brinkley. It's kind of an update to the last couple videos. Keeps the sun off my neck. Hey, this is Texas, it's hot. Let's get all this packed up and go. All right. Chances of dying just got a little bit lower. First try. All right, let's hope this is getting it. Right there. See how it's coming right off. It's actually cracking right there, coming apart. That's what they used? They just used this putty to fill in this huge gap right here. Oh, this isn't looking good. Look at how easily this tape comes off. It sticks to this part really well, but it didn't stick to any of this. It's not sticking to the impact guard roofing, but boy, it's sticking. See, look at this. Look at how easy this comes. Hold on, I gotta show you this. Hold on a second. See this right here? It comes right off of the cap. Pretty easy. We're committed now, guys. See how over here it didn't stick at all, it just came right off. Over here it's sticking. But you can see this gap right here where it's black under here. There's a huge air gap under there. All right, let's see what we got. I'll report back. All right. Hair dryer makes it a lot easier to come off, but you can see there's barely anything stuck to that front cap. I have a heat gun, but my wife's hair dryer works better and I don't have to worry about melting anything. So you see, it's not hard to get that stuff off. According to Eternabond, you can lay the new Eternabond over the old sealant if there's any gray stuff left over, but I'm gonna get most of it off. See all those, that line right there? This isn't so bad right here. It's got a thicker line, but look right here. That's all that was adhered right here, that little bit. That's not gonna last very long. Now, let me get to cleaning this off with a little heat and a scraper. Under this rail, there's another piece of Eternabond under here. That black piece is Eternabond that goes under this rail. And it looks like the impact guard membrane goes under there, and I'm assuming it's screwed in with the screws.
There are no physical fasteners actually holding it down. There's no screws along the leading edge or anything like that.
So on that one where it apparently blew up, I don't know if they weren't adhering, screwing it down under the cap, but mine is adhered under this rail right here that's screwed down. And there's another piece of Eternabond under here. I don't know if it's double stick or what. You can see the fiberglass cap right there. Over here, there's Eternabond covering that. I don't know if it's supposed to come out and cover the fiberglass cap, but it doesn't over here at all. That's just the raw fiberglass right there. Got it decently cleaned up here. I'm not too worried about the gray stuff, the leftover adhesive on the cap part. I cleaned both sides of that rail really well. It's squeaky clean, and I got the wider Eternabond tape than what Brinkley used. I'm gonna fill the void that I showed you earlier with OSI, because the putty stuff they used, and I could still see their fingerprints in it. I don't know what it was like Play-Doh or something. This went sideways quick, it's too hot. That was a pain in the butt. All right. Never working with the Eternabond in the heat again. Forget that noise. But I used wider Eternabond. It adhered really well. I got some wrinkles. I'm not too happy about a few of the wrinkles, but a lot less air bubbles. And I think we've got a good seal, so I'm going to go back, clean this noise up, go inside, cool off, take a shower, and I'll give you a recap here in a minute. All right, we're doing an update on the tape repair on our impact guard roof that we did. It's been a week. It's been sitting out here in the hot Texas sun. The tape looks really good. I think the repair went great. You can see there's a lot more tape sticking to the cap in front of that rail. It's gonna help give it a little better adhesion, and also on the back of the cap. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. It's not the straightest job in the world. It was over 100 degrees and humid out here when I was putting this tape on. And I need to check for any delamination in this roof. That seems to be a problem with some of them that's popping up. But we'll check on it. I think we're gonna be all right. Kind of excited to get this thing on the road if I ever get my truck back. So, all right, let's go back inside where it's cooler.